Now we brew a coffee using the function for the powder already grinding. The first operation is open the door, remove the cap and add in the net the quantity of powder we want to use. In this example, I want to brew 4 cups of coffee. So every cup 1 spoon, in this case 4 cups. We put again the cover, close the door, then we use the mug to add the water in the water tank. The mug have the signs for reference, so in this case we put water, follow the 4 cups, and then fill the water tank. Already fill the water tank with water. Very important during this operation, close very well the bean tank to avoid water coming inside because damage the grinder. After this, we put the mug down and we pass to setting the function of the machine. The first thing is push grinding off. The light switch on, it means that the grinder doesn't work. Then we set the straight control. In here there are 3 symbols. We set which straight of coffee we want in final result in the cup. In this case I put middle straight and then I start the on off. The machine warm up and then start the brew. When finish to brew the 4 cups of water that we put in the tank, the machine make a buzzer, a sound to tell us the brew is finished. But anyway, it's better wait 1 minute more before remove the mug, because the water in the net need to finish to drop down. The machine finished to brew the coffee. We can take the mug. Can enjoy our coffee. Important is after every brew, clean the machine. So need to open the door. Careful because it's hot. Remove all the part. Take a cup. Here we have the powder wet. We threw all the powder used and then wash just with a clean water in the